Okay, I have pulled a instrument panel from a 2002 Honda CR-V, and the lights are out on 70 to 80 miles an hour and all the way around here, and on the the gas gauge. I have bought Sylvania Long Life 2721 bulbs. These are them right there. I have pulled the bulbs out of the back. Turn the instrument panel over. I've pulled these two bulbs here. I've also pulled a bulb out of the park gear. The park, the reverse, the neutral are all here. They are this type of bulb. Those are still good. I'm not changing them. I just pulled it just so you could see. It's a different type of bulb. You'll have to buy that one from Honda. I haven't found it. The Napa places and AutoZones and Advance have those, but they do have these bulbs here. They cost about $5 a piece. They pull out very easily. You just twist and pull. See? And it's just a quarter turn. These are not so easy. I had to use a screwdriver and one of my handy dandy pick tools. Actually, I have several available to me, but that's how I did it. The bad bulbs are here to the right, and the good bulbs are here to the left. You can see the bad bulbs, like most light bulbs, are black at the top where they've blown. Okay, to put one of these in, or to take it out, you have to pull on the bulb very hard. Sometimes you have to take a screwdriver and pry. There's little slots on either side. You have to pry it just slightly, ever so slightly. And then to put it in, you just push it in. You hear it snap. Okay, we got her back in, and it's nighttime, so it shows up really well, and all the lights are lit. I didn't go into taking it out and putting it back in because there's a very good video online, and I believe it's to some Styx music that tells you how to take it out and put it back in.